Psalm 20. Yahuwah, hear thee in the day of trouble. The name of Elohim of Jacob defend thee. Send thee help from the sanctuary, and strengthen thee out of Zion. Remember all thy offerings, and accept thy burnt sacrifice. Selah. Grant thee according to thine own heart, and fulfill all thy counsel. We will rejoice in thy salvation, and in the name of our Elohim we will set up our banners. Yahuwah, fulfill all thy petitions. Some trust in chariots, and some in horses. But we will remember the name of Yahuwah, our Elohim. They are brought down and fallen, but we are risen and stand upright. Save, Yahuwah! Let the King hear us when we call.